The oil, the medicated oil or the sesame oil, anything can be taken and just hold it inside the mouth, fill the mouth with the oil and hold it for few minutes, and that also is otherwise medicated oils are Cicero, and this can be done with again the til oil or the coconut oil or Brahmi Thailam, which is very relaxing and it stimulates the brain and improves the memory also. And Amalaki Thailam is the Amla Tel, which is very good for the hair and also for anti-aging effect on the body. So and improves the perception of the sense organs. This is very good for Vata. It relieves mental stress and nervous tension, enhances circulation in the brain, improves memory, nourishes the hair and gives good sleep and calms the body and mind. Which is what is needed for health is calm the irritations or aggressive feelings, tensions and all these go up so that the nervous system works properly and controls the body to have a healthy body. So this can't be done at home. For this you need to go to any center and get it done. And then one more thing is Pichu. Easy to do at home, very easy to do at home. Just a piece of gauze or cotton is soaked in medicated oil and just put it on we call it as this area as the Brahmarandram. So you keep it there, that serves as a medicine and that serves as a preventive aspect also. It corrects hair fall and cures wounds on the scalp, and even otherwise generally also you can just keep it there to have a soothing feeling and to balance your Vata also. Earlier days all the children they were played like this only, or the babies, infants, dip the cotton in the oil and put it on because for them this fontanelle is not closed for few months. So they always keep the oil on the skull like this, and that increases the quickness of the hole has to be closed. Slowly that happens. So it increases, it quickens the process and it helps in preventing all colds, coughs and all. For that they use this Pichu for the infants, and this can be used by everyone, anyone. Yeah. Whatever you do on the head, it helps the eyes. It doesn't have any negative effect. It helps the eyes. It soothes and reduces the burning sensation, and it stimulates the nerves also. Very good for eyes. Anything done on the head, it's good for eyes.
Pichu means exactly what?
Pichu is the whatever cloth is used, we take the gauze cloth and dip it in oil. That itself is called Pichu. The substance, oil, it's not connected with the oil. The substance, the cloth or the gauze, whatever we are using, is called Pichu when you dip it in oil. No, not the system. This substance, the cloth, you just fold it, dip it in water. Like this is a mouse, that is Pichu, that's it. Not any connected with any disease and all. That is the small piece is called Pichu. Yeah. Next one is Sirovasti. You might have seen some photographs also. So they have a cap-like thing, like all the cooks have, They keep one leather cap on the head and put a large quantity of oil inside the cap and make the person sit for some time. So the oil and the pressure of the oil both work on the brain and relieve so many problems like headaches, eye disorders, sleeplessness, especially in facial paralysis. When it comes to diseases, facial paralysis, it gives very good result. And dryness of mouth and nose and loss of